HiBuffet says you a warm welcome. Let's start. Take a blender. 400 grams peach. Two tablespoons icing sugar. 2 tablespoons condensed milk. 2 tablespoons honey. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 tablespoon resin. 1 cup strawberry ice cream. 2 glasses of chilled milk. Cover it. Guys, if you are enjoying our videos, please like and share. Garnish it with red syrup and dry fruits. Fellow and friends, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.